I was interested in this program because I grew up around cars when I was younger, and my dad and my sister have always been big into cars, and I wanted to further my interest and learn more and be more involved with cars. For me personally, my goal is to own my own auto body shop and do custom, so I think this is a really good foundation for that. I really enjoy the experience that I'm getting so far. Honestly, I've kind of fallen in love with the program in itself. I would say definitely go for it. There's really nothing to lose. It's free college, and it's definitely given me the opportunities that I need to go straight out of high school with a really strong future, and I'm very excited for what's to come.